Looks like we're at McConnels Mills State Park here. Point parking. That's if we're gonna walk, but I'm gonna take you around McConnels Mills. It's a beautiful day at 6:30. I was in Erie all day. I didn't think. This is 80 miles south of Erie. And this is just the entrance to the park here. There's some places where you can have a picnic up here on top. Over in this area. It's called Kildoo picnic area. McConnels Mills right here. The old mill is 0.3 miles. The covered bridge is 0.3. Hell's Hollow is 5. Breakneck Bridge is 2, and Eckerd Bridge is 2. Those are gonna be, you're gonna find those when you're hiking. So there's actually an old mill down here where they made grain and all the things they needed to survive back then. So the Eckerd Bridge and the Break Bridge is to the left.
It says road closed.
Road's closed. Is it closed?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. So it looks like the road's closed. Let me ask these people. So we're going down the hill here. It says it's closed, but what's neat about this place is the rocks and driving under all these rocks. It might be closed on the other side. And down over to the left is a cliff, and it's down to the creek. I think I can show you here. If I hold this down like this, maybe you can see that down there. That's the whole way down the hillside. It's kind of interesting.
What's that platform?
There's a lot of holes on this road. It looks awful. But there's an old mill and